In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer money from Binance to your MTFE. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is to copy your address wallet. Now, this is very important, guys. You need to copy the MTFE wallet address. Otherwise, this is not going to be possible. So if you don't know how to copy your FTMA wallet address, you just need to search on YouTube MTFE wallet. You will find a lot of videos that explains how you can copy that. Okay, now let's assume that you know how to copy that. You just need to go to your Binance. You need to open your Binance account, and this is very easy. This process only takes like a few seconds to transfer money from Binance to your MTFE. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, next is you need to move your mouse to wallet and click on fiat and spot. And the second thing you need to do, guys, you need to scroll down. Okay, scroll down a little bit, and let's say that you want to transfer BNB. Okay, BNB or whatever, you can select whatever you want here. So next to that, guys, in the action section, as you can see in the action section, you need to click on withdraw. Okay, next to BNB, you need to click on withdraw, and here you need to enter here your MTFE wallet address. Now that's why I told you guys to copy the MTFE wallet address. Like paste the address here, and here select the network. Now this is very important. You need to select the correct network. You need to check if MTFE supports platforms like this. Okay, you need just to check. Let's just select the correct network. So I will go with BNB, confirm, and here the wallet address. You need to copy the wallet address here, and then click on confirm or whatever you see here below this. Yeah, this is the process, and get the address, network confirmation, deposit successful. Okay, this is the steps that you need to go through. Now you just want to enter here the address and scroll down, and you will find something like confirm or anything like that. Click on it, and then the transaction will be successful.